Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? So we have Queen of Cups in reverse. Capricorn, you are being somebody who wants to offer something to someone. You are being somebody who has genuine emotions for someone, and apparently you are also being somebody who does not want to hurt your emotions. Okay, because you have emotions for this person, for your partner. Okay, you have emotions for someone in your heart, but at times you feel that it's okay if the other person is not ready to listen to my thing, if the other person is not ready to understand my feelings, why should I give them a chance, or why should I think about them? Okay, so it's like a on and off condition for you. Sometimes you feel a great urge of urge of connection with this person. Okay, sometimes you get frustrated why this person is not understanding my emotions, and sometimes you feel that it's okay if they are not understanding. I should not blame them. Okay, so it's your energy, it's your current energy, Capricorn. On the other hand, Capricorn, this is your partner's current energy, 8 of Pentacles. Your partner is being very, very workaholic right now. Okay, I feel that they are being somebody who works 24/7. Okay, or if they are not working, work is always there in their mind 24/7. Okay, they want to achieve something in life. Okay, and that's why they are putting all their heart and mind to work, to that thing or to that project. Okay, they are continuously working and continuously they are not doing anything except work. They are just working 24/7. They are not taking any free time, they are not taking any breaks in between. Okay, perhaps their dreams are so big for them, and that's why this person is not understanding your offer. This could be the reason. This could be the reason. Excuse me. Okay. So with this 8 of Pentacles, they are being somebody who is workaholic, who wants to achieve something in life, who doesn't have time to look here and there. Okay, they are completely devoted towards their work. That's what I'm feeling. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, or how you feel them, or how they feel about you. Page of Pentacles. Capricorn, you see them as Page of Pentacles. That means you see them as somebody who has a vast or immense ground of opportunities in front of them. You see them as somebody who is completely passionate towards their work. That's what I told you in the beginning of this reading, that this person is a workaholic person who works 24/7. And with this Page of Pentacles card, you see them as somebody who always want to start something new in their life, in terms of finances, in terms of career, in terms of goals. Okay, you also see them as somebody who is very ambitious. Okay, who wants to achieve great heights of success in their life. That's why they are completely ignoring all the things that doesn't matter at all for them. Okay, so you see them as somebody who has vast vision in their life. Okay, who wants to achieve more and more and more and more in life. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, your person feels about you as the Lovers. Somewhere deep down in their heart, they feel that there is a mutual connection between you and them. There is a mutual love between you and them. There is a mutual respect, mutual understanding between you and them. they see you as somebody who's their soulmate. Okay, they consider you as their soulmate. Okay, but I feel that since they are completely devoted towards their work, they are not thinking in that manner. But yes, somewhere somewhere somehow they feel that okay, you are their soulmate. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you are taking towards each other. We have Death card in reverse. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Death card in reverse. And Three of Swords. There is nobody is taking any action towards each other. That's what I'm feeling. Because with this Death card in reverse, you are being somebody who is like completely you are not able to think straight right now, because you are completely in obsession of this person. Okay, you feel that okay, I think that something has ended in your life, or it could also happen that you need to do certain work on yourself first, only then you will be able to see something new. It is a kind of time for you to heal yourself first. It is a kind of time for you to work on yourself first, only then you will be able to make something in life, or take some action towards them. Or perhaps you feel that this person is completely busy in their own energy. You feel that it's okay, I should not put my efforts or towards them, or I should not give them any, or I should not waste my time with them anymore. Okay, so that's why this Death card is here. On the other hand, Three of Swords. Your person is also not taking any action towards you, Capricorn, because your person, I feel that they are somebody who is they are somebody who is heartbroken. Perhaps they have been through some bad relationships in past. Now they are thinking, okay, I should not focus, or I should not consider this love or relationship kind of offers anymore in my life, and I should completely focus towards my own goals, towards my own growth. All right, so nobody is taking any action towards each other. Now let's see what you feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship, and how they feel in this relationship. King of Pentacles, this is your energy, and Ten of Wands, this is their energy. You feel in this relationship that yes, hey, I am the king. I am offering you a solid proposal. I'm giving you a solid thing, solid commitment. Then why you are afraid? And since they are not ready to listen to your any offer, or they are not accepting your any offer, you feel abandoned by this person. You feel that okay, this person is not understanding my feelings. Okay, so that thing makes you sad. That thing makes you sad. See, you are Queen of Cups, who has emotions for this person, but since you have tried a lot, but this person is not ready to listen to your things, so somewhere you feel that what is my fault? I'm giving you something, and I want to give you some solid offers in this relationship. Then why you are not letting me into your life? That thing makes you sad. That thing makes you worried, or that thing makes you you don't see, or you don't feel that okay, what should I do now, or how can I convince this person? So somewhere in your mind, back in your mind, you are planning a lot of things for them, and that's why you are like completely calm, or I would say sad, or perhaps you must be planning something big for them. I don't know. Now let's see how a person feels in this relationship. This person feels a mental pressure on them. This person feel depressed. This person feel overburdened, because I feel that you have, poured all your emotions on this person, and since this person is not ready, they are feeling overburdened. They feel, oh my god, what is this? I haven't expected this. I didn't want this thing. Then why this person is giving me all this, all their emotions and all that? I don't want it. Okay, so that thing is making them really sick and tired. That thing is making them really vulnerable. That thing is making them really sad and overburdened. Okay, they have a huge pressure on their mind. They have a huge pressure on their heart, that oh my god, this person is putting a lot of efforts towards me, but it's me who don't want to be with any kind of thing. What should I do? Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy? What's the mutual energy between you and them? 10 of Pentacles. And what is going to be the future potential? Oh my god, Wheel of Fortune, 6 of Cups. So the mutual energy between you and your person is that you both of you are, kind of busy in your own life. Okay, you both of you are kind of busy in your own families, your own friends, and with your own social circle. Okay, somewhere deep, somewhere back in your mind, this person is continuously in your mind 24/7, but I'm not seeing that this person is thinking about you at all. Okay, but yes, I'm seeing that both of you are enjoying your own time with your own family and friends and loved ones. So this is your current mutual energy. All right, and the future potential is reconciliation, reunion. I think that when the time will be right with this Wheel of Fortune, future is definitely going to bring both of you closer. Okay, perhaps you are also going to get a time to meet this person. Perhaps you are also going to get a chance to meet this person. Okay, perhaps you planned something to meet, but your plan didn't work well. So in future you feel that it's okay, I can meet this person. At least I should meet this person. Why should I not meet this person? Okay, it's okay if they are not accepting my offer, but I should do some more. I should put some more extra efforts towards them. Okay, and I should meet this person. All the thing will take place only then when the time will be right. Okay, you need to trust the process. You need to trust the divine timing. Okay, now let's see how angels are guiding you. What angels are saying, or how angels are guiding you. What angels are saying. Listen to your intuition. Capricorn, angels are saying that you need to listen to your intuitions. Okay, it doesn't matter what you are feeling right now, or how they are thinking about you, or what they are thinking about you, or what you are feeling about you. Just follow your heart. What your heart says, just do that. Alright, if you feel that you should go and meet this person, then do it. And if you feel that okay, I should give them some time, then do it. Or okay, if you feel that okay, perhaps this person is not ready to understand my emotions, or I should move out, or I should quit, you can do that. You are completely free. All you need to do is just to listen to your heart. Alright, okay, so some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Queen of Cups. Some of you could be and 6 of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 10 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Alright, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 3 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands. And some of you could be dealing with Scorpio with this Death card in reverse. Alright, so Capricorn, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.